We may have gotten off to a slow start in regard to cooling temperatures off this past fall, but it's a case of delayed but not denied. Now that we've gotten into December, we've certainly had some colder weather, and today we had our coldest morning yet, dipping into the teens in most of the area. In fact, 13 in Lake Ozark, 21 in Mountain Home, and Springfield 17. That's the coldest morning since January of this past winter. Just a quick peek at some of the other temperatures reported in the area. You can see areas even close to Springfield, Marshfield, and Ash Grove getting down to 14 this morning. Our coldest reported low was Winona at 12 degrees. This afternoon we managed to warm into the upper 30s and low 40s. This may have gotten blunted a little bit by some cloud cover that swept into the area from the west. It was crystal clear, and then all of a sudden skies went cloudy around mid-afternoon today in Springfield. Those clouds have since pushed off to the east. It was a sign that warmer air was moving back into the area. And we will find a quick warm-up as we work through tonight and Wednesday. Here's what's going on. We've got high pressure to the east, so we're on the warmer side of the high, but the winds will become more west to southwesterly tonight into tomorrow. And that's going to draw warmer air, which is located to our west, back into the Ozarks, at least briefly. And I think with the gusty winds that we find on Wednesday, that will help to maximize how warm we can get. And it looks like highs well into the 50s, with some areas to the south getting into the low 60s. Now, you'll notice there are two cold fronts on the map. This is late tomorrow afternoon. The first one will move through our area during the afternoon hours. The second one will move through Wednesday night. That's the one that really packs the punch, that will deliver a shot of Arctic air. Temperatures tonight will cool into the 30s. Looks like about 33. That will be an evening low. And then after midnight, as winds pick up, I think just the act of stirring up the air will start to drive temperatures slowly higher by morning. Tomorrow, we're going to be looking at highs ranging from near 57 up toward Lake of the Ozarks to low 60s in Mountain Home. I think in Springfield, I think we can make it up to 58 given the setup. Then tomorrow night, with that Arctic air pouring in, it will be cold by sunrise on Thursday. A morning low of 20 in Springfield. That will come with wind chills in the single digits in areas near and north of Highway 60. During the afternoon, most locations north of Highway 60 will remain below freezing. Looks like a high of 29 in Lake Ozark, 32 in Springfield, and just above the freezing mark in Branson at 34 degrees. Now, it's a roller coaster ride, and that means that a quick warm-up will follow. It looks like as we get into Friday and Saturday, we'll find ourselves back on the warm side of the surface high, and winds will pick up out of the south, and we'll be back to a mild mode this weekend. So we're going to go from 30s for highs on Thursday to highs in the 50s this coming weekend. But on Sunday, it looks like the warming trend could be blunted by a storm coming out of the west. Showers may spread into the area later in the afternoon, cloud cover before that, and that will result in temperatures maybe not getting quite as warm as we'd like to see. It looks like 57 on Saturday. I still expect upper 50s on Sunday. If the storm is slower, then I think we have a shot still at hitting 60. Behind that storm, though, we'll see temperatures cooling back off to cold levels on Tuesday.
At least we're getting a break from these cold temperatures, and a nice break.
You're right. I mean, it's like you look at that forecast and you're like, I just got to get through this day, because then the next day, hopefully a warmer day.
That's a good thing.
Millions are digging out